This question says a rectangular garden 12 meters. So first thing it's rectangle, isn't it? 12-meter long and 8-meter wide. Usually when I read this information, I write my rectangle here before even continue reading. So this is a rectangle and 12-meter long. I know this 12-meter and then 8-meter wide. And then carry on, yeah. A path of uniform with x meter. There is a path of uniform with x meter is built all around the outside of the garden. What does it mean? There is a path here around the garden, which was wide 1 meter. So if I say this is the path along around the rectangle here, and I know this one has 1 meter, has x meter, sorry. So this x meter here, this one x meter, and this one x meter. It's built around the outside of the garden. The total area of the garden and the path is 192 meters square. Show this equation. You don't have to worry about the equation now. You're going to carry on this equation afterward. Now, what's the information is given to you? This information, the total area, and this usually is the key word to answer the question. So, what is the area of the total path is 192, and you know that the area of rectangle equal length times width, and you know the area is 192 equal length. So what is the total length here? If you look to your drawing, you can find out this is 12, this x, and this another x here. So this is the length. So length here 12 plus 2x times width. And what is the width here? The width here is this one 8 and x here, and there is x there as well. So x and x, 2x plus 8, that makes the width is 8 plus 2x. And now you look to the question here. It's exactly match the question which asking to show here. And then look, work out the width of the path. It asks you to get the value of x here. So what we need now, we have two brackets, and if we have two brackets multiply each other and we need to solve the value of unknown value, which is x here, we need to expand. So let's do expanding. 12 times 8 would be 11 times 8 is 88, and add another 8, that means it's 96. So we say 192 equal 96, and then we start with 12 here, and the second term for the other bracket is 2x. That means 12 times 2x is 24x. And then after we finished with 12, look to the second term in the first bracket 2x, then we would say 2x multiply 8 and then 2x multiply 2x. So 2x multiply 8 is 16x, and 2x times 2x is 4x squared. A lot of big number here. So we have to deal with this one. This for non-calculator exams, you have to think about what is the best way to carry on. First, there is a number here. If it would be good if we try to decrease or reduce this number, we know we can do it because here 96, we can bring it over to the other side as minus 96. So 96, 192 take away 96 would make another 96 equal 24x plus x plus 16x plus 4x squared. If there is any way before collect like terms here to reduce these numbers, yes, there is something very interesting to can observe. There is a 4 and 16 can be divided by 4, 24 can be divided by 4, 96, if you are not sure about 96, if could be divided by 4, have a go here on side and say 96 divided by 4, it would be 2 with remainder 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. That means all terms can be divided by 4, both sides. If both sides and all terms can be divided by the same numbers, then it's chance we have to take here. So 96 divided by 4 is 24. 24 divided by 4, 6x. 16x divided by 4 is 4x. And 4x squared divided by 4 would be 1, which x squared. Now we need to rearrange this equation to become a quadratic equations. So 24, bring it over to the other side, it would be minus, as now it's positive. So now let's rearrange x squared and then collect like terms 6x plus 4x, 10x, and then plus minus 24 equal 0. Now we need to find two numbers if multiplied together become 24. And what are these two numbers? If we say 1 times 24, 24, and this doesn't work because we need to get the middle number, which is 10 here. So try another numbers. 2 times 12. 2 times 12, if added together, is become 14. If take away, become 10, which could meet the middle number here, which is 10x. So let's have a go for this one. But 2 times 12 here is plus 24, while we have minus 24 here. So what we should do, there are two options here, either minus 2 times 12 or minus 12 times 2. Which one we should do? Let's both are minus 24, but we know that these two numbers, if they added together, must give me plus 10. So let's have a go here. Minus 2 added to 12, it's plus 10. If added together, it gives you plus 10, while the other side, the other two, the other option here, if they added together would give me, if added together would give plus 10. So this one doesn't work with me. So I take minus 2 and the 12, if they added together became plus 10. So it would be x minus 2, this is the first number, and then x plus 12, this is the second numbers, equals 0. That means if we solve it here, x minus 2 equals 0, bring minus 2 over to the other side as plus, so x equal 2, and for x plus 12 here, if we bring 12 to the other side, it became minus 12, so it's x equal minus 12. And here we have two answers. Which one we should choose here? Is it x equal 2 or x minus 12? If you think what we are measuring here, we are measuring width of the path. There is no width in minus. There is no any length in minus here. That's mean we are going to reject this one and take x equal 2. So the final answer is x equal 2 meter. Or let's check if it's meter or centimeter. It's meter, 2 meter. And this is your final answer.